you finding glasses this cheap? Tell me.
Again, said prescription glasses starting at $6.95. Don't go on there looking for no $6.95 glasses, please. They just had to have a starting point, okay? You don't go on there looking for no $6.95 frames. Open it up. You'll have inside your case with your glasses in it. And if you got the blocks, like I did, I chose the blocks lenses, blue block. They're blue light blocking lenses for people who suffer eye strain or could possibly have eye strain and want protection from our devices that we use on a daily basis, like our phones and our computers and our laptops and things of that nature. Okay. So if you get those kind of lenses, they will also send you out a laser, a blue light laser, so that you can test it for yourself to see the actual difference between the regular lens, the traditional lenses, which my last glasses had, and the blue light lenses that I have on now. And I'll show you that in just a few. All right. So when you open up your case, they usually put some padding in there so your brand new glasses make it to you safe and sound. They also put inside a cleaning cloth. These are the glasses, these are the glasses that I had before. Oh, let me show you. I'll show you what the new I'll show you what the new wipe cloth looks like that came with these glasses that has this case. I don't know if you can see it or not, but this case, you should be able to, has the etching of the Year of the Dragon Chinese limited edition glasses they had available on their website. Unfortunately, the ones that I wanted, the style that I wanted, were all sold out, but that's okay. Maybe next time. I ended up getting a really fly pair anyway, and I'll give you a close-up of those in a few if I already haven't. And yeah, so I was looking at them because they come with like a really cool design on their bag and on their wipe cloth. So this was the hard, I was surprised when I got these glasses that they actually put this in a Chinese New Year hard case for me. I was like, oh, that's so, and yeah, so let me show you the cloth that it came with, which I think is really super dope. Okay, that's what it looked, that's the cloth that it came with, right? Can you imagine that as like a full-size bag or a soft case? I was like, oh my God, I want one so bad. All right, so we are talking about these bad boys right here on my face. The side, the arms are tortoise shell design, and it's kind of an updated tortoise shell. It's not that old school grandma tortoise shell. It's just something about it, it's different. Maybe it's the colors or the spacing of the pattern, or the I don't know it, but it's really, I like it. It speaks nature, but it's not like overly old vibing. Okay. The frame is pretty thin. Okay. It's got pieces, non-adjustable nose pieces. So you kind of have to make, this is where the try-on comes in online. You got to make sure that it fits your face, because you won't be able to adjust the nose piece here. You can probably loosen and adjust the arms, or take them to somewhere. If you don't know how to do it yourself, don't F up your glasses trying to do this. But you can bend the ends of glasses if they're not long enough or comfortable behind the ears when you get them. Take them to a professional if you don't know how to do that. remember I said that. I didn't tell you to mess up your glasses. If you do, it's on you. Okay? But these glasses are a little bit larger, a little bit taller by maybe like a millimeter or two from my old frames. But they have a green face, which was my color and has been my color for years now. I love deep green things. It just, green speaks to the nature in me. And yeah, I love it. As it goes for fit, these glasses out the package fit me perfectly. I mean, all the way down from the prescription to the fit behind the ear, the nose piece, all that good stuff. Even the pupillary distance. When Zenni tells you to measure your pupillary distance, make sure you take that seriously and make sure you take that measurement seriously and measure it accurately so that they know where the center of your eyes are in your frames. Some people's eyes are closer together. Some people's eyes are further away. So when you have that pupillary distance, it's important so that you don't go cross-eyed trying to look into your glasses. Okay? Again, very simple, easy instructions. Go online, follow the instructions, it's done. Okay? Don't overthink it. Don't overthink it. All right? Now, when it comes to expectations, these were better than I expected. When I ordered these, I was kind of nervous. Again, I've been wearing transparent glasses, which lets my face shine through and goes with any outfit. And so as I ordered these, I was like, well, dang, I hope they, are not like just boom in your face and go with absolutely nothing. And I need another pair of glasses now. So yeah, that's not what happened, thankfully. And I love the texture on the glasses. They're very smooth. They're very smooth and soft. I like the way there's no rough edges. It doesn't pinch. It's not too tight. I didn't have to adjust glasses, like I said, out the box. Straight out the package, these glasses, I put them on and it's like, yes, I can see now. I feel comfortable driving again. So yeah, the likes, everything above. My only dislike with these glasses is that they creak when I sleep in them. Did I hear somebody say, Dominique, stop sleeping in your glasses? Probably so. Yeah, but okay. And I'm gonna work on that. And I'm gonna work on that for real. But sometimes you just end up laying down before you realize you're laying down, and it happens. So yeah, sometimes I hear them do a little creak, a little, and see, they won't even do it now. But they said I shouldn't sleep in them either, apparently. But anyway, yeah, just that little creaking sound that I hear from time to time when I fall asleep with them on. That's my only dislike. Okay. All right. So that was all that I had to share with you on this review. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, try Zenni.